So, haven't done an X-Plane video in a while. So, we are going to be landing a Boeing 757-200 at LAX. So, let's choose the weather. Let's do overcast. So, I'm gonna land the plane on a runway. I'm not sure which one. Gonna spawn 3 nautical miles away from the runway. So I've landed planes in simulators a lot of times, so I will land this plane, I hope. You like my new profile picture? You like it? It's awesome, right? Who doesn't like Foxy the Pirate? Okay. Oh wait, I spawned on the runway. Let's land at 25 right. No, that's not what I want. Okay, landing gear down. Let's slow down a bit. So we'll just do normal final approach, average landing, normal, standard, regular landing. Spawned a little too high, but that's fine. I kinda prefer this view rather than this one, the cockpit. I just like this way. So there's no air traffic anywhere. I love the 757, my favorite airplane. I love its engines. I like how it's able to take off from short runways. Oh, I'm getting a little too low here. I also love the roar that it makes during takeoff. Very powerful. Whoops. Bumpy landing. Okay. Reverse. Brakes. Okay. So I landed at SFO. Wonder if there is a multiplayer in this game. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles International Airport. The temperature is 74 degrees. I hope you liked riding the 757 because I did. I hope you did too. Taxiing is boring. Not gonna break the rules. So, you can suggest ideas in the comments. What plane should I land? Where should I land it? Should I take off? Should I go around? Should I land a plane in the bad weather, in storm? Suggest some ideas. Wait, did I say 757-200? I thought the 200 had only 6 doors. This one has four on each side, which makes it have 8 doors. That's weird. I thought the 300 had 3 doors. Alright, so anyways, I've landed my favorite plane at this airport. Not really familiar with this airport. I've been there twice. I've been there on a Turkish 777-300ER and an A380, a Lufthansa A380 bound for Frankfurt. In real life, of course, not in this game. Okay, so